How to make a Facebook account private. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon or the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, under the Tools and Resources tab, you will see the default audience settings option. Tap on that and now you will see three options, that is public, friends, and custom. So go ahead and select the friends option you see there, and now only your friends can see what you share. And if you create a public post, only your friends can comment on it. So tap on the next button you see there, and now go ahead and tap on the confirm button you see there. And with this, only your friends on Facebook will be able to view your posts. So this is how you can make a Facebook account private. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.